What's up guys? Welcome to another video tutorial in basic coding. The second video tutorial. So in this tutorial guys, hindi muna tayo mag-code. So I just want to talk about some basic concepts about object oriented, which is the class, object, and method, and fields. So mga basic concept lang yon. So yun guys, since Java nga is object oriented programming, so we are going to deal with those things, which is the class and object. So, explain ko lang kung ano yun. So, kasi in the further tutorials na sa Java is kailangan na mas maintindihan nyo kung anong ibig sabihin nga ng class and objects. So, kaya yun, inuna ko to na i-discuss. So, yun lang guys. So, I'll just search in the Google kung ano nga ba ang Java class and object. So, a class is a user-defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. So, ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nun? What the hell do it means? So, for example guys, a class, you can think of a class like, sabi nga dun, is a blueprint where objects are created. So, think of it like ang class is parang uri ng isang bagay. Kumbaga, it's like a data type. Kumbaga, kaya nga uri ng isang bagay. So, example in this na sinerch ko is, ang class dito is dog. Okay? The class is dog. So, meron tayong breed na Neapolitan Mastiff. So, tama ba? So, Maltese, then Chow Chow. So, these are the objects from the class dog. Nag-guess nyo ba? So, these dogs, lahat sila, itong mga objects na to, na mga aso to, lahat sila ay aso. So, they come from the class dog. So, okay, na-guess nyo ba guys? So, for example, ito pa. Meron tayong class na cat, pusa. So, yung cat na yun, pusa, pwede tayo mag-create ng object na pwedeng pusakal, na askal na subversion ng pusa. Pusakal, pwedeng Persian cat, pwedeng iba pang lahing cat. And lahat ng pusa na yon is, kumbaga pare-pareho nila is lahat sila ay pusa. So, they come from the class cat. So, ganun lang guys. So, lahat na uri na yon is, lahat sila is pusa. So, eto sa example na to is, lahat sila ay dog. So, they come from the class dog. So, ang pinagkakapareho lang nila is, dog sila lahat. Pero, meron silang iba-ibang, doon na papasok yung fields. So, in programming, once na nag-code na tayo ng Java classes, ang fields lang naman doon is the variable names. I mean, the variables. Yes, the variables. So, it's either the breed, so integer size, integer age, string color, string breed. So, the variables. And, excuse me, it would, same na lang naman yan sa characteristics. Yung characteristics means, kung yung characteristic ng class, and yun na rin, that will be the same na sa characteristics ng once nag-create tayo ng object from that class. So, eto na yun. These are the characteristic ng eto. So, they have the same. So, yun. So, tandaan nyo lang guys yung meaning ng class na yun ha. So, methods. Ano nga ba ang, by the way, yung objects na sinasabi ko, yun na. Yung once na meron tayong class, then, we can make an instance of an object from that class. So, ito yung class, for example, dog. Then, yung mga objects dito is itong si Brownie, for example, itong Chow Chow, Brownie, Whitey, Maltese, Blackie, Neapolitan Mastiff. So, Neapolitan. So, method, ano nga bang method? Method just means method, yung mga kakayahan na gawin from that class. So, for example, meron tayong itong dog class. So, gumawa tayo ng instance ng Chow Chow, Ito. So, ang mga kayang gawin ni Chow Chow, ng breed na Chow Chow is kaya niya mag-eat, kaya niya mag-sleep, kaya niya mag-sit, kaya niya mag-run. So, yun guys. So, basic, yun lang naman. Wala namang iba. Ganun lang naman ang basic ng classes and objects. So, basta tandaan nyo, ulitin ko, a class is like isang uri yan ng isang bagay. For example ulit, meron tayong pusa, we have a class, cat, and that cat na class, pwede tayong gumawa ng instance ng object. For example nga, pusakal, Persian breed na cat. So, and lahat ng pusa na yon, ang pagkakapareho nila, they all belong to the same class, which is cat. So, parang dito, etong dog, we have a class dog, gumawa ng instance, parang instance means like an example of an, parang instance nga. So, gumawa ng instance ng object na ang breed is Neapolitan Mastiff, then the size is large, age is 5 years, then color black. So, yun yung object. Then, gumawa ulit ng Maltese, blah, blah, blah. Then, ito si Chow Chow. Then, etong mga objects na to, ang pinagkakapareho nila is they all belong to the same class. Excuse me. They all belong to the same class, which is dog. Okay? So, lahat sila ay dog. So, ganun lang naman guys, ang basic concept ng class na object. So, I hope na naintindihan nyo. So, if di nyo naintindihan, basta think of a class is like a uri ng isang bagay. So, parang ganito nga. So, lahat sila ay dog. So, ganun lang naman guys. So, lahat sila ay, they come from the class dog. So, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial, magko-code din tayo. So, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe.